Hey there, fellow investors. If you're in Singapore and eager to dive into iShares ETFs, you're in the right spot. Today, I'm walking you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to buy them. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned trader, this will help you get started with confidence. First things first, what's an iShares ETF? iShares are exchange-traded funds created by BlackRock, one of the biggest names in finance. They let you invest in a diversified basket of assets like stocks, bonds, or even commodities, all at a low cost and with the flexibility of trading on stock exchanges. Now, why buy iShares ETFs in Singapore? Singapore's financial market is super accessible, with many iShares products listed on the Singapore Exchange, SGX. Plus, as a local resident, you might enjoy tax advantages and ease of use through familiar brokers. Let's break it down into steps. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. Choose a reliable broker that supports SGX trading, like DBS Vickers, OCBC Securities, or Interactive Brokers. You'll need to provide your ID, proof of address, and some basic financial details. It's straightforward and often done online. Step 2. Fund your account. Once your account is set up, deposit money using options like bank transfers or credit cards. Make sure to check for any minimum deposit requirements. Step 3. Do your research. Not all iShares ETFs are the same, so pick ones that align with your goals. For example, if you want global exposure, consider the iShares MSCI World ETF. Use tools on your broker's platform or websites like BlackRock's to compare fees, risks, and performance. Step 4. Place your order. Log into your brokerage account, search for the ETF, and execute the trade. You can buy at market price or set limits, it's just like purchasing stocks. Finally, remember that investing always carries risks, like market volatility, so keep an eye on your portfolio and consider consulting a financial advisor. There you have it. Buying iShares ETFs in Singapore is easier than you think. If you enjoyed this guide, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Happy investing!